Hi, Susie Valentine, Realtor with Century 21 Now Realty. Today we're in Riverside, California looking at this beautiful model home by KB Homes. Come join me at this beautiful house tour. This is a 6-bedroom, 5-bathroom house with a 3-car garage. Today we are in the community Spring Mountain Ranch, which is in Riverside, California. We will be viewing KB Homes' Belcara Residence 5 model home, showcased with optional builder upgrades. The open floor plan 2-story home measures approximately 3,443 square feet. The first thing you'll notice are the spectacular dual staircases. The great room has high ceilings, recessed lights, and windows with views to the backyard. The kitchen has gorgeous countertops, beautiful dark cabinets, and stunning backsplash. It also has garage access and a nice size walk-in pantry, which is perfect when you just came home from the grocery store and your hands are full. This center island has a shiny sink and a breakfast bar, which is great for casual dining or can double as a buffet table for parties. The kitchen features stainless steel appliances such as an oven, microwave, cooktop stove, and dishwasher. If you're thinking of selling your home in the Southern California region and would like to be featured on this channel, please let me know. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe and click the bell to be notified so you don't miss a thing. The great room can double as a dining area too and has a sliding glass door to the backyard. The views of this home behind the Riverside Hills are just so tranquil and relaxing. This was filmed mid-January. Couldn't you just imagine sitting in the backyard right now and enjoying our wonderful Southern California weather? They added an optional junior suite instead of a den, which has a kitchenette with sink and refrigerator with views to the backyard. It has an attached ensuite bathroom with toilet, shower, and dual sinks. The junior suite also has a large walk-in closet as well. As well as room for stackable washer and dryer. The powder room is to the side of the great room and has a pedestal sink and a toilet. If you have a friend who loves model house tours, please share this video with them. And if you want to search for new homes like this, I'll put a link in the description below. Under the staircase, there is a closet with extra storage, which is clever and great for storing holiday decor or cherished items that you otherwise wouldn't want to keep in the garage. Downstairs, there's a bedroom with windows and views to the front yard. It also has a closet and could also be used as an office. You will also find an attached bathroom with a sink, cabinet, toilet, and a shower. Right outside the door, there's a closet. Nice, storage is always a plus. If you're enjoying the video so far, please give it a like. It helps our channel and we really appreciate it. Now let's view the upstairs. Aren't these stairs unique? We don't see these very often. The large loft is surrounded by windows and recessed lighting. It could also be an optional 7th bedroom as well. This home also includes heating and air conditioning. What's your favorite room so far in this beautiful home? Please leave it in the comments below. The 3rd bedroom has a window, is carpeted, and has a closet. The 4th bedroom is carpeted, has a window, and a good-sized walk-in closet. The guest bathroom has cabinets, dual sinks, and a water closet with a toilet and a shower in the bathtub. The 5th bedroom has recessed lighting, windows, a closet, and is also carpeted. In the hallway, you will find a linen closet. Wow, I'm impressed with how much storage this house has. The laundry room is bigger than I anticipated. It is featured with cabinets and countertops large enough for sorting your laundry as well as folding it afterwards. It also has washer-dryer hookups and cabinets for all your supplies. Another feature this home has is a whole house fire sprinkler system. The master bedroom, which is also called an owner's suite, is quite nice, and a bit away from the other bedrooms. It has windows, recessed lighting, and is carpeted. The attached master bathroom has dual sinks, cabinets, and a vanity area. Another nice feature the owner's suite has is this huge master walk-in closet. It has single pulls with plenty of room for both winter and summer clothes. The master bathroom has a linen closet too. There is also a private water closet with a window and a toilet. The master bathroom has a separate shower and a bathtub. Can you imagine it filled with bubbles and candlelight? This home also includes green features, such as dual pane, energy-efficient Lowy glass windows and patio doors, water-conserving plumbing fixtures, LED lighting, and a tankless water heater. Wasn't that home beautiful? I absolutely love the master bedroom. What did you think? Please comment below. And if you like that home, you'll probably like either of these as well. And if you're in the Southern California area thinking about buying or selling your home, please give me a call. Susie Valentine, 951-907-4020. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.